All right, guys, we have Baily's High Performance. We caught a guy assaulting a Challenger right here.
Hey,
you giving it some love, brother?
You just wish it was you.
Let's see what Chris Baily and James doing. What's up, my brother?
What's happening, man?
How you doing? We doing good. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Man, that is, I couldn't visualize it. I couldn't visualize it when you told me that it looked like crap. Because I thought it was beautiful. But now I can see it looked like shit. It really looked like crap. Oh, dude.
Now it's
man.
Now it's popping, huh?
Shit, it looks fast already. Just look at that. God darn.
It'll strike fear in people just by looking at it. Look at that. Yep.
Man, I couldn't see the dream, Chris. Clean as fast.
Oh yeah, clean as fast.
Wow.
Yep.
Man, it doesn't even look like the same car.
No. You're gonna have this hood open, people are gonna be like, damn. Damn.
Yeah, they used to say damn before, but I didn't know they was like, damn, that's fucked up.
Yeah, man, that's dirty as hell.
That's messed up. Damn.
Does he ever wash his damn car?
Damn. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Let's go through this. Wow. Look at those turns and the bends.
Yeah, looks good, doesn't it?
Man, it looks like a different car, dude.
So we got the crank keys. So we're gonna put the keys in there, put the lower pulley on there, and then we'll start getting everything in. We have the upper pulley you gave us, so we're gonna put that on.
So what else you got working on here at the shop? What other projects you got?
About ready to fire up the orange one, the orange TRX.
TRX,
Yep. We're getting ready. We got a streetcar takeover in the Demon in 2 weeks.
Okay.
So we're gonna get the Demon ready.
So what are you gonna do to the Demon for streetcar takeover?
So for the Demon, all we need to do is get the trans diaper on, safety, big safety thing. Get the trans diaper on. And then I got new Mickey Thompson. They came in and sponsored us with some front runners. Okay. To match their rears. So we're gonna put the front runners, Mickey Thompsons on there. Okay. And then just nut and bolt it. Make sure it's ready.
Ready to go. Go get them.
They just ceramic coated it. They make sure that she stays clean after I let Herman drive it and get it all dirty.
I know that's right. It scared the shit out of him with it, right? Hey man, this dude's still assaulting this car, man. Come on, man. Giving that Challenger that much love. What kind of baby you gonna make, man? He making a Hellcat baby.
Yeah, it's gonna be a Challenger GT V6.
Oh shit! Oh damn!
Check that.
Oh, nice. So it's going ice from here to there.
Yeah.
Say, man, what is this faucet thing you got on there? It look like you stole that from the house, man. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. What's that? Oh no, man! What is that, man? Hey, man, I'm finna water the yard or something.
Yeah, sure are.
God damn! There you go.
It's all those people,
I like it, man.
It's all the people you beat their tears.
Yeah, the tears coming out. You gotta drain them.
So I made a plate to move this back because
okay, it was up there.
It was way far forward, so kind of hard to stretch over there and get some fuel in.
Yep. So now it's back here.
Yeah, we made a plate, brought it back. We did all the proper fuel line for this. Okay. Because before it wasn't the right size or the right type of line.
It wasn't the right type of line.
Yeah.
So what kind of line do we have? Because I know Vibrant sent me lines. They sent me two different lines, fuel, but you're saying we had the wrong lines.
Yeah. So the 16 that was in here was water line.
Was a water line.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not reinforced or the right material for E85. Okay. So what we need to run for race gas E85 because it's so harsh and corrosive, it's got to be like a PTFE line. Okay, so I imagine that was eating up off in the line and could actually going into the fuel pump, right? Yeah. So it was contaminating pump, contaminating filters. Oh wow. And if it gets past that, it could clog in injectors. Yeah. Wow, I'm glad you caught that. And then you put the fuel pump right here. Yeah. So it's still below the tank. I know Earl's biggest deal was cavitation and Yeah,
so gravity flows and whatnot. So.
Yeah, so you can see the tank is still above, or the pump is still below this, because we never want to go at half a tank on this.
Okay.
We always want to try to keep this as full as possible to make sure that all the fluid and head pressure stays where it needs to.
Okay, got it.
So, yeah, so we'll finish that, and then we'll run our vent lines and overflows, and you can top them all off right there. Right?
Same
so we can be topping off fuel, and someone can be filling up the ice tank, swapping in nitrous bottles, and we're not bumping into each other, looking like Larry, Curly, and Moe.
Oh my goodness, man, it's looking good, Chris.
Yeah. We're gonna order new brackets to mount the solenoids up here. Do it a little differently. You know, the biggest thing when we're at the track is we want to be able to have quick access to these things.
Okay.
In case we need to change plugs.
Now, what's your thought on the valve covers? Because some people say buy these whatever Moroso, whatever valve covers, so you can change them in and out quick and yada yada yada. What's your take on that, Chris?
Learn how to do spark plugs faster on the Hellcat. keep those Hellcat valve covers on.
Okay,
them.
so
they work.
Keep the Hellcat valve covers.
Yeah, we'll keep the Hellcat ones on there.
Okay.
Because they are ventilated properly up here. The other ones kind of eliminate that, but with the RPMs that we're running it at, we want as much baffling as possible.
Right. See, I would think somebody would make one flat that had baffling in it, but
it's harder.
It's harder.
It's harder because when we start getting into little tricks like what we do with the Matin and the roller rockers, that is such a bigger system that we need as much clearance as possible.
And this gets us the clearance.
Yes.
And get everything out of the way. And then especially since we don't have all the other stuff that's on the Hellcat, it's still easier. This looks easier to get to and to grab. Yeah, both sides. Now, what about the inside? Are you going to leave the inside white, or are you going to paint it black also?
So we're going to try to get to it and paint it all black if we can. Right now, for sure, the trunk is going to go black. The engine bay is going to go black. If we have enough time to get to it, we can just finalize all this stuff.
Do it later,
You know, in between time. But right now, we're going to try to get it running and ready for Earl to come in and wire it up and start going from there. So, all the stuff that was in there.
Oh gosh, yes, filthy. Oh God.
So all that stuff you don't want in there. So you want to make sure that if you're doing E85, we want the proper hoses. We don't want to do that. And you can feel that this kind of has already started to get a little bit stiffer and harden, and that's when you start getting into some trouble.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.